Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Kasur Kinong Maulai organizes public rally and lay down of knives to protest government's refusal to suspend police personnel involved in killing of surrendered HNLC. Maushbut unit of New Threp Youth Council seeks Meghalaya Minister Sanbor Shillong's intervention relating to people's problem while passing through the army gate. Kathma Urang Lijuki felicitates Embo students of hawkers and street vendors. And Meghalaya hands over cultural artifacts and unique textiles for display at Indian High Commission, Dhaka. And now the news in detail. The members of Kasur Kinong Maulai today handed over the reminder letters to the Khasi MLAs to support the organization's demand to suspend the police personnel involved in the killing of surrendered HNLC at his residence in Maulai Canton Masar, Shillong on the 13th of August. The organization handed the reminder letters to the Indian National Congress through H. Shangpliang, Minister Renik Tan Tongkhar of the HSPDP and President of Khnam Adilbert Nongrum. Speaking to the media, leaders of Kasur Kinong Maulai said that they cannot expect an independent probe into the unfortunate Maulai incident as long as those police personnel who are involved in the killing of C. Thank You are yet to be suspended.
Kongres kilali na maju bari ba Himalaya Sampiang nangtang gilawan bani kendoro ya ka HSPDP ling bai ba Renik Tan Tongkhar ling dok Tongkhar ngilai kendoro ya ka PDF ling bai ba Hamlet Oleng nên mình sẽ bắt mình đang nhiều anh bạn kilo ia ka UDP limba present ba met ba di kumngong ka jingwan kilo jong hi ka long ban bodin ia ka city ka bang la ai le putrek ka pamot ka jing apil jong hi syaparo live sangon ki MLA ki badai na ka beri nyotra bakin kranam ia ka nei ka issue ka belajar ha ka step electric ia ka jing sat khat jubor ka jing im jong ba cheres di ka demand jong hi hang tu ka long ba di ban sospon no yaki top kau social balong laingun SP East Central SP Traffic Shillong bat kum juro DGP namar ba syabat kondok ia kini ka judicial inquiry ni kwa ba kanong don no ka tampa hang ne Thailand ne makin manipulate ya ke ka ba an collect ko ka inquiry te ni ba lada baro kini ki MLA kinong kasur hantai hapo kabinet lani hapo assembly lesi kajing ya le lani kajing kon jongi kanlong ka ba don yang so jong jingkerman namar bangi suthu shai balada kini kibreu ki badot kiti hakakam thongbor lada kidang don hapo jong ka service ngingit scam ba justice kanong dan hendrai lada yakini en weng no an suspensual dilesi kata kajing token lani kata judicial inquiry kanlang bakhoit bat lesi kom kinong shnong lani ka surno mulai ngin hon lani ka family jong iba chereso kan hon kapdian.
Kasur Kinong Maulai today organized a public rally including the laydown of knives as a mark of protest against the state government's refusal to suspend the 3 top police personnel who were involved in the killing of surrendered New Threp National Liberation Council C. Thank You. After marching through the main road of Maulai in Shillong carrying banners which read Kajing Yat Patba but Penjing Pendem Tari Ban Persha Ekajing Sha Penyap Uba C. Thank You. The members of Kasur Kinong Maulai laid down their knives in a vehicle placed for this purpose.
Kibla Kloy ban priang no yang Kajing Pendem Jokpi hang ni Hamulai petrol pump. Tenang ni kitu kiba lapik klek tari kadang gaji itu bangangin rai dari sajrong pat iniat tak kebajai-jai pat hantai kan sedang gaji ngelang namarte kani keski pemerintah hakba kasolka kelapa ya ka deputy commissioner banpa shokos notice yang nuwat kinailam jong Kasur Kinong Maulai te hantai pinsai ayu ngingin le ya kata ka shokos notice jong DC sasisian parari lokri lokpa kibadang hakani kadong nathan jong kamolai petrol pump la kedu la kerpat epi pasuba shimo ekani kapor namar balada pinyakan ni satay yo don beng jong pi kibong na pe Amerika te ale wan no hang ni ngin pendap chua ya ka jing pendap tari ka jong pi Pat hadir kita anda
Social organization belonging to Kathma Urangli Juki today felicitated the Class 10 and Class 12 students who have successfully passed the MBOS examination. Speaking to the media, the leader of Kathma Urangli Juki, Angela Rangat, said that her organization is proud to see that children of hawkers and street vendors' parents have passed the MBOS examination. She said despite the numerous hardships that they faced due to COVID-19 pandemic, they bravely fought to ensure their success. Rangat also informed that Kathma Urangli Juki has started running the tuition classes at Umsosun Community Hall to help those students who are unable to avail private tuitions. She also informed that the 4 teachers who are taking the tuition are highly qualified persons.
Kipenlong gani ka program ban kitbok tit ruang yaki ban ai kublai yaki bat sau ku wei ngut ki kena ki khon jongi wat lada mencim snem ki shem jing e hadu kata-kata na markadan ka klam samlong ke kelas hendrei hakajing persang jongki ki clear ya ka exam ki don katukat ni na ki si phongot na ki lele ki de le pha hadu wow wei de nguni celestine marak bat ki wei ki bayo letters habun ki subject science math bat ni snow hello hadu kata-kata ba dalong sakat dalong ru ki akun bat ki ayo het yung tau so dongka jingjak bat ni kwa ru ban ai kublai ki saumut na samla ki ba menshim snem ki rap yakane ka seng to kinong di madan kung kinong hikai hapor bala unlock ha November December January nia long ki class ha Umsosun ha hall ba ai smutha da ka dorbar ni pa ai kublai ru ya ka dorbar nong Umsosun ka ba ai ngi.
Social organization Kathma Urangli Juki today said that it has received more than 9,000 complaints and grievances relating to the implementation of Chief Minister against wage laws. Speaking to the media, Rangat said that she has received information that some of them have received the money, but the rest are yet to receive the amount. She also informed that her organization has sought an appointment with the Chief Minister, but he is yet to give an audience to the members of Kathma Urangli Juki, citing the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative as the main reason. Rangat alleged that the Chief Minister is least bothered about the real issues affecting the people of the state. The Chief Minister is giving audience to his relative and business persons, Rangat alleged.
Income support kepada sarkar ke hular menyetujui dan kini di sini nila pak sakawai ke siti pembentukan mau ini ni iPhone ke sarkar tadian kata ke sarkar ke pak sengi kerja report nama ketua di kendon dia orang berkila sedang mentransfer berkidang kat tukang ni diberi telefon ini ke orang tidak sedang yo Andrei kidang drum tu kibun bempat yo but ki kalima department ko ang hanaba kidang don't have feel and verify tiki mi na tiki kendrum tikala don ka jingdu kor kumba sitayo atayo ya ka kamru Andrei na kalian jon kaptur ni launch itu ka website hak meghalaya.in mo hakaba ni pensuk ikibri banjit ikiketeng hangtu batru ni idan iwi batin bakila ban submit ya ka grievance lada katuka jingkam itu ya ka keteng ka pisa kamdi ka basisa te nileru ya ki IVRS calls kibaka automated calls balik kibriu baki hak press di batin atau pio na pio bat kentup na website ban na IVRS menta ki don handai hajar tam ki complaints but ya.
As part of the commemoration of 75 years of India's freedom, 50th year of India-Bangladesh friendship and liberation of Bangladesh, and 50 years of Meghalaya's statehood attainment, a short program was at BSF border outpost India-Bangladesh border, Dauki Tamabil. Speaking at the program, Commissioner and Secretary of Arts and Culture, Shri F.R. Kharkongor, emphasized on the important significance of the congruence of these 3 events. He said the liberation of Bangladesh marks the 50 years of the bilateral friendship and relationship between the 2 nations, and as a symbol of friendship, fraternity and goodwill between the 2 countries and with the state of Meghalaya in particular, Kharkongor handed cultural artifacts and unique textiles of Meghalaya to the Assistant High Commissioner, Sylhet High Commission of India. Kharkongor informed the gathering that recently India's Ministry of External Affairs had asked the government of Meghalaya to identify a partner country to celebrate the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, and the Meghalaya state government had proposed Bangladesh as the partner country as they share very close fraternal ties with people-to-people contact in terms of commerce, trade and education. Neeraj Kumar, Commissioner of India in the Assistant High Commission of India at Sylhet, Bangladesh, thanked the Meghalaya government for sharing the tribal artifacts and unique textiles. Earlier, Abhilash Bharanwal, IAS Sub-Divisional Officer, Amlaram Subdivision, in his welcome address, reiterated the 50 years of Indo-Bangladesh friendship, which shared a history of 50 years of solidarity and rapid strides in nearly all fields of development.
Commissioner of India for dedicated display of our heritage at the Indian High Commission, Dhaka. On behalf of the subdivision Amlaram, I would like to extend a warm welcome to Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shri F.R. Kharkongkor, IAS, for being a part of the program. The Assistant High Commissioner, Sylhet, Assistant High Commissioner of India, Shri Neeraj Kumar Jaswal, the Joint Secretary Arts and Culture Department, Shri K.L. Nongbri, Deputy Commissioner Customs, Shri Animesh Tiwari, Shri T.G. Ramesh, the Head of Chancery Office of the Assistant High Commissioner, Sylhet, Shri Sanjeev Kumar, Second Secretary Office of the Assistant High Commissioner, Sylhet, Officiating Commandant, 30th Battalion, BSF, Shri Anil Kumar, the Deputy Commandant, BSF, 30th Battalion, Shri K.K. Tripathi, the Superintendent of Customs, Shri A.S. Vanbo, and all the other officers, friends from public as well as.
The members belonging to Mashubut unit of Nyautrap Youth Council today met the Meghalaya Minister Tanbor Shulai and urged him to intervene in people's problem while passing through the Army Gate at Mashubut in Happy Valley area in Shillong. Speaking to the media, the President of Mashubut unit, Max Calvin Kharkongor, said that Tanbor Shulai has assured them that he will take up the matter so that the people of Mashubut may not face problems while passing through the Army Gate.
Kani kasih kata ada kan tarik benar berkendai ancar puai. Kani kabu banyak kendu ubah Tanbor Shulai. Ringkat lang buat MDC jungi ubah banyak sing kaba kinisia kira ya kloy. Mat pentonrong lem ya ka kia kasan jong kisnong jong ka pibak jong kisnong Mashubut. Kaba ya day berdom 58 GTC gate. Kumbangi kinong snong ya mat kajim shibun nakapor sakapor. Kaba ya day kini kispai. Kira ju penthut barabor he hake baki yabu ke bergiet ki penan kami kutien klem akor ber komta ter tana khaliang ba Tanbor Shulai ru ra penpau hiru ba ya kan ka isu jungi pemta te unang bud dien ben ban jakini ki khnrom khnram hadu ka bakut ber kumju ru MDC jungi ba penya sing CM ru ra ong ban un nya bud dien be ya kan kam bud un nya lang ra be ya kan kam hadu ban yo ya so jong ka jingjong Mishim ni galat aku belajar jaki nong terai kam snong jong snong Mashubut, but kumjur ke HYC di sengkemi, bekanong thumai circle, ba kira long ki bakloi, ban kit kia klem la song tan, ya kan ni kajing angnut jong ki petba nong snong Mashubut, besukan.
The spokesperson of the Congress in Meghalaya today alleged that there is so much corruption and irregularities in almost all the departments of the government. Zenit Sangma said the glaring anomalies and financial irregularities are seen in the Power and Taxation Department. He said these things would not happen without the knowledge of those authorities in the midst of affairs.
See, we as responsible opposition brought out and flagged before the government about the alleged corruption and illegalities in different sectors. There are so many alleged scams came up during the regime of this present MJ government, be it coal scam, be it the power scam, be it the rice scam, be it the scam in forest department, be it scam in taxation department, and corruption in almost all the departments. And all these are being possible because of the patronage from the people in the authority. When I say people in the authority, means the people who are in helm of affairs. Out of this, the most dangerous trend and precedents that have been created is in power sector. Now, under power sector, there are a number of irregularities.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.